Hello HVAC friends, we're going to do an acid test here. We have a compressor. Actually, let's just look at this. That's not been maintained in years. The condenser rather. The compressor is clearly leaking oil. I don't know exactly from where. I checked here and I'm not seeing exactly from where it's from, but there is pressure, some pressure in the line, but I want to do an acid test here. So let's do that. So it's not the refrigerant has not been contaminated. So that is good. If it would have, it would be like a fuchsia color, like a bright pink. So at least this is good news, but the compressor is dead.